The Seventh Amendment is part of the Bill of Rights, and it's the individual right to jury a trial in civil cases. So there are 4 rules for when the Seventh Amendment applies. The first one is that it must be a civil claim. Civil meaning to seek money to compensate your loss from the person you are suing. The second rule is that the claim must be based on federal law and be in a federal court. So the Seventh Amendment does not apply in state courts. The third rule is that the lawsuit must be more than $20. So this provision of the Seventh Amendment is always met. And finally, the fourth rule. The lawsuit must be a claim for which the English common law of 1791 would have allowed a jury trial. So if the English common law would not let your claim go to trial, then it cannot go to trial by jury under the Constitution. So a common law are cases that occur when a monetary payment is being sought for a loss. So in other words, anytime money is involved, which is in civil cases, it is a common lawsuit and it's eligible to be tried by a jury. And now we have equity law, which seeks to treat a problem by imposing injunctions or court orders to solve the problem. Equity law basically destroys the Seventh Amendment because whenever court injunctions alone are involved, it becomes an equity lawsuit and it must be tried by the judge. And now we have the court case, which is Toll versus United States. This court case is when the federal government sued a real estate developer for a violation of the Clean Water Act. The petitioner was Toll. The federal government brought a suit against him for dumping fill material on wetlands in Virginia. The federal government sought over $22 million in civil penalties. Toll went under the Seventh Amendment and requested for a jury trial, but the district court denied Toll's request and issued that Toll had to pay a fine of $325,000. So after being denied by the district court, Toll went to the Court of Appeals with the Seventh Amendment, and they affirmed on the issue, so that gave Toll the right to trial by jury. So now we have the test question. The Seventh Amendment gives the individual right to jury trial in A. Criminal cases, B. Bankruptcy, C. Civil cases, or D. State courts. The answer is C. Civil cases.